Have you ever wondered how different your lifestyle could be if you had a personal assistant guiding you towards healthier choices? Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence, a concept that is no longer just a product of science fiction. This transformative technology has permeated every corner of our lives, from the way we work and communicate to how we learn and create, and it doesn't stop there. Imagine a world where your daily decisions are not just informed by your instincts or advice from friends, but by a sophisticated AI system that has analyzed patterns beyond human comprehension. Think about the impact of AI in sectors like transportation, finance, and entertainment. Now consider its potential in the realm of personal health and lifestyle. The possibilities are endless, from personalized diet plans based on your genetic makeup, to workout regimes tailored to your physical capabilities and goals. Imagine having your own personal health coach, always available and powered by artificial intelligence. So, what exactly is this artificial intelligence we're talking about? Well, let's break it down. You know those moments when you ask Siri for the weather or Alexa to play your favorite song? That's artificial intelligence at work. Just like your brain processes information, makes decisions, and learns from experiences, AI does the same, only faster and on a much larger scale. Picture AI as an invisible, diligent assistant tirelessly working behind the scenes. It's like a super efficient librarian, sorting, categorizing, and making sense of mountains of information. The primary tool it uses is data, vast amounts of it. The more data it has, the better it becomes at predicting and making decisions. Consider this. When you ask Siri about the weather, it doesn't just guess. It uses data from weather stations, satellites, and meteorological databases to give you an accurate forecast. And when you ask Alexa to play your favorite song, it doesn't randomly select a tune. It uses data from your past requests and music listening behavior to select a song that you're likely to enjoy. But AI is not just about responding to commands or answering queries. It's about learning and improving. With every interaction, every piece of data fed into it, AI gets better. It's like a sponge, continuously soaking up information and using it to refine its responses and predictions. Here's the exciting part. AI is not some high-tech wizardry reserved for tech giants or secret government labs. It's right here, right now, in our smartphones, watches, cars, and even our kitchen appliances. It's becoming an integral part of our everyday lives, helping us navigate traffic, find the best restaurant in town, or keep track of our fitness goals. So, in essence, artificial intelligence is a tool, a digital companion, if you will, that processes information, learns from it, and uses that knowledge to make our lives easier. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps and always learns, isn't it? Now that we understand AI, what role can it play in our health and lifestyle? From our daily steps to our sleep patterns, AI is revolutionizing how we approach health and wellness. Let's delve into the myriad ways AI is applied in health and lifestyle sectors. Consider fitness trackers, those sleek bands or watches you see on so many wrists. These are more than mere fashion accessories. They're packed with AI technology that monitors your heart rate, counts your steps, and even tracks your sleep. This data is then crunched by AI algorithms to provide you with personalized fitness insights and recommendations. It's like having a personal trainer right on your wrist. Now let's turn our attention to nutrition apps. Ever wondered how these apps can accurately calculate the nutritional value of your meals? The secret is AI. These apps use AI technology to analyze the ingredients in your meal and provide a detailed breakdown of your calorie intake, vitamins, and nutrients. It's like having a dietitian in your pocket, guiding you towards healthier eating habits. Sleep monitors are another fantastic example. These devices use AI to analyze your sleep cycles, detecting patterns that you might not notice yourself. They can help identify issues like insomnia or sleep apnea and suggest changes to improve your sleep quality. It's like having a sleep expert, always there to ensure you get the best night's sleep possible. Lastly, let's talk about stress management tools. With the hustle and bustle of modern life, managing stress is crucial for our overall health. AI-powered apps can monitor your stress levels, provide relaxation techniques, and even suggest lifestyle changes to help manage your stress. It's like having a personal wellness coach, available anytime you need. The power of AI lies in its ability to provide personalized insights and recommendations. It takes into account your unique needs and lifestyle, ensuring you get the most relevant advice. With AI, you're not just following a generic health plan, you're following a plan that's tailored specifically for you. With AI, we can make informed and healthy decisions that suit our unique needs. You might be thinking, how can I start utilizing AI for my health? The answer is simpler than you might imagine, and it begins with a journey of small steps. First, start with what's right at your fingertips, your smartphone. There are countless AI-powered apps available that cater to various aspects of health and wellness. From nutrition trackers that can analyze your food intake and provide personalized meal plans, to fitness apps that can tailor workouts based on your individual needs and progress. These tools are designed to make health management more accessible and efficient. Now, the key to making the most of these AI tools is consistency. Just like any other aspect of health and wellness, consistency is king. It's about making small but steady changes in your daily routine. Use your chosen AI tool regularly, be it for tracking your meals, workouts, or even sleep patterns. Over time, these AI tools learn more about you, your habits, and your body, enabling them to provide more personalized and effective guidance. Patience is another crucial factor. Change doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process, and AI is there to support you through this journey. Remember, AI is not a magic wand that will instantly transform your health. It's a tool, a companion that aids you in making better, informed decisions about your lifestyle. Moreover, don't be afraid to experiment. The world of AI is vast and ever-evolving. There might be an app that works better for you than another, or perhaps a certain AI tool that resonates more with your lifestyle. The idea is to find what works for you, to make your health journey not just effective but enjoyable too. Finally, always remember that AI is not a substitute for professional medical advice. It's a supplement, a tool to help you live healthier, but always consult with healthcare professionals for any serious health concerns. Small steps today can lead to significant health improvements tomorrow, all thanks to AI. AI is transforming the way we live, and it's time we make the most of it. The future is here, and it's incredibly exciting. Can you imagine a life where your daily health choices are guided by artificial intelligence? A life where AI helps you make the best decisions for your well-being? Consider this. AI tools are readily available to us, right at our fingertips. They're in our smartphones, our watches, even in our home appliances. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, making our journey towards a healthier lifestyle seamless. In a world where health is wealth, isn't it empowering to have technology that can help us monitor our progress, guide our nutrition, and even suggest personalized workouts? With AI, we can take charge of our health like never before. We can strive to be the best versions of ourselves every single day. Remember, adopting AI in your health routine isn't a daunting task. It's as simple as downloading an app, setting your goals, and letting the technology do the rest. It's about making small changes that can lead to big differences. So, why wait? It's time to step into the future of health and wellness. It's time to explore the extraordinary potential of AI in transforming our lives for the better. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on how technology can improve your lifestyle. Here's to a healthier you, powered by AI.